Apricots, known for their delightful taste and nutritional benefits, are a variety of fruit belonging to the prunus species, a botanical family that encompasses an array of other delicious fruits, like plums, cherries, peaches, and almonds. These small, round fruits boast velvety skin and vibrant orange-yellow color, making them a feast for the eyes and taste buds. Apricots are predominantly grown in countries closer to the Mediterranean, spanning across Europe, Central Asia, America, and Africa. Turkey in particular ranks first in global fresh apricot production. Today we take a close look at the enchanting realm of apricot farming, from the art of cultivation to the joy of harvest. So let's begin. Our apricot adventure begins with the careful planning and preparation that goes into establishing apricot orchards. Apricots grow best in soils that are deep, well-drained, well-aerated, warm, loamy, and humus-rich. The land is prepared by plowing or deeply tilling the soil in spring by turning it over several times. The soil is then left to rest until autumn. In heavy soils, it is recommended to spread 3 tons of farm manure per hectare and incorporate it into the soil through plowing or cultivation. Prior to digging the holes, thorough soil preparation is conducted, and the desired planting pattern is marked for proper alignment. Before the actual planting process, the trees undergo essential pruning, which includes both root and shoot pruning to promote healthy growth and development. One-year-old orchards are typically planted during the autumn season, as long as the weather conditions are not excessively cold. It is recommended to prepare the holes for planting before the rainy season in autumn to ensure adequate aeration. These holes should have dimensions of 60 centimeters or 2 feet in width and depth. The saplings are pruned in June-July, leaving 5 shoots while cutting off the rest from the base. In the first 3 years, shape pruning is performed to establish the desired form of the tree, and in the following years, pruning is minimal. Severe pruning causes the tree to produce gum and hinders its growth. Therefore, the most suitable pruning method is to remove dry branches and overlapping unnecessary branches before the leaves fall in autumn, prior to pesticide application. Apricot trees have moderate water requirements, and providing them with adequate moisture is essential, especially during critical growth stages. The irrigation method commonly used in apricot farming is drip irrigation. Drip irrigation involves the use of drip emitters or micro sprinklers strategically placed near the tree roots. This irrigation system delivers water directly to the plant's root zones, minimizing water wastage and ensuring efficient water distribution. One of the most magical moments in apricot farming is witnessing the breathtaking blooming of the delicate apricot blossoms. While a majority of apricot varieties are self-fertile and do not require a pollinator, there are some exceptions. In general, having a pollination partner can enhance the size and quality of the apricot harvest. Apricot trees are vulnerable to a range of pests that can have a significant impact on their overall health and productivity. Among the most prevalent pests and diseases that affect apricot trees are the plum curculio, oriental fruit moth, spider mites, and peach leaf curly. These pests and diseases can cause damage to the leaves, fruits, and overall growth of the apricot tree, leading to reduced yields and compromised tree vitality. It is crucial for apricot growers to implement appropriate pest management strategies to protect their trees and ensure optimal fruit production. As the apricot fruits reach their peak ripeness, the highly anticipated harvest begins. The apricot trees stand tall and robust, boasting a broad and expansive canopy that can reach impressive heights of 10 meters. Diligent farmers carefully handpick these precious fruits, ensuring that each apricot is handled with utmost care to preserve its quality. In addition to manual harvesting, specialized equipment such as shakers may also be employed to enhance efficiency in terms of time and labor. Apricots, once harvested, offer a wide range of versatile products that cater to various culinary needs and preferences. Let's explore the processing methods for both raw fruit and dried ones. In raw fruit processing, The harvested apricots are transported to specialized facilities where they undergo meticulous sorting based on size, quality, and appearance. Stringent quality control measures are implemented to ensure that only the highest quality apricots are selected for the market. When it comes to dried apricots, there are several methods available, but two commonly used techniques are sun drying and sulfur drying. Sulfur drying is preferred to prevent color changes, reduce drying time, prevent insect infestation, and enhance the shelf life of the dried apricots. The sun drying method is favored for its exceptional taste. In this method, the apricots are first cleaned and then carefully placed under the sun for a period of 2 to 3 days. During this time, the natural sunlight gently dehydrates the apricots, resulting in a distinct flavor profile. After the apricots have been dried, they are transported to specialized facilities where they undergo several crucial steps before reaching the customers. At these processing plants, the dried apricots undergo a thorough washing process to ensure cleanliness and freshness. Additionally, they are subjected to rigorous testing to detect any unhealthy bacteria or other microorganisms that could potentially be harmful to human health. Once the dried apricots have been cleaned and tested, they are carefully packed and prepared for distribution. The packaging is designed to preserve the quality and flavor of the dried apricots, while also ensuring their protection during transportation. With all the necessary steps completed, the dried apricots are now ready to meet the customers and provide them with a delightful and nutritious snacking experience. We hope you've enjoyed this apricot farming adventure. As a new channel, we greatly appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Your engagement means a lot to us as we continue to bring you fascinating content. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our future videos.